If you have to figure out the sum of the first n integer, given that the integers start from 1 and go all the way to any given number n, then this is the formula you are going to use. The formula is simply n times n plus 1 divided by 2. So this gives you the sum of the first n integers starting from 1. Let's take an example question. What is the sum of 1 plus 2 plus 3 dot 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 till 20? Notice over here that the numbers are starting from 1 and they're basically taking the sum of all the first 20 integers. This is exactly the kind of problem where you have to apply this formula that we have just discussed. Let's actually use it. So over here, what is going to be your n? N is basically the last integer in this series of numbers. So your sum in this case is going to be 20 times 20 plus 1 divided by 2, which then simplifies to 10. Actually, we'll keep 20 times 21 divided by 2. The 2 cancels out. This becomes 10. So finally, the answer is going to be 210. Let's try one more problem. In this case, again, we have to calculate the sum of 1 plus 2 plus 3 all the way till 100. We will copy the formula. This time, what is our n? Our n in this case is going to be 100, right? So 100 times 100 plus 1 divided by 2, which as a result, it's going to be 100 times 101 divided by 2. We simplify that, we get 50. Now finally, what we need to do is simply calculate the value of 50 times 101. Now at this point, you can just do multiplication in whatever way you like. If you do that, you will see that the answer is going to be 5050.